Hello everyone, this is Shritama Dasgupta. Welcome back to Ivy's 10 Days Visualization Internship Challenge. So this is Challenge 5. So we have the same data as that of our previous challenges. We have retailers table and we have the sales table. So let us look at the challenge. We have to first of all create 4 columns, fall, winter, spring and summer. And now we have to compare the sales of all the seasons with respect to that of the sales in winter. So as you can see, we have created this seasons column. Now let us just look at how we have created it. Okay, so for this column, we have basically used the switch function. Along with that, we have used the month function. So what it is doing is in the sales table, it is going through each of the row and it is giving the corresponding month number for each of the invoice date. Now, what switch function is doing is if the month number is 1, as we know that December, January, February, these are the months of winter. So if the month number is 1, which means January, then the season will be winter. If it is 2, which means February, then the season will be winter. Over here, if the month number is 12, that is December, then again the season will be winter. So in this manner, for each of the numbers, like each of the month numbers, the corresponding season will be chosen. So that is what the switch function is doing over here. Coming to the visualization, so what we have done is we have created few measures for this visualization. So let us just look at those measures. So total sales is a measure which we had already created for the previous challenges. Now for this one, we have created one more measure which is percentage winter sales comparison. So as you could remember in our question, we had to compare the sales of each season with the sales of winter. So for this purpose only, we have made this measure. So first of all, we have taken a variable total winter sales, okay, and that is equals to calculate total sales season equals to winter, which means basically total winter sales is giving me the sales of winter only. Calculate function over here is used so as to find out the total sales for the particular season of winter. As you know, calculate function can filter. So for filtering purpose, we have used calculate over here. Then finally, return. So it is going to return me the comparison value, which is total sales minus total winter sales divided by total winter sales. So this is the visualization which we have created. We have used a table and over there we have dropped the columns of season, total sales and percentage winter sales comparison. So this is the result which we got. So what we can observe is that the sales for summer uh, basically outperformed the sales for the season of winter. It came out to be 17.8%. Uh, Spring and fall, this season sales are basically lagging behind the sales for the season of winter. So we can conclude that summer can be the season where the sales can be the maximum. So that is it for this challenge. So stay tuned for the next challenge.